Seeing a P219B code for an air-fuel ratio imbalance can be incredibly frustrating because it feels like a ghost in the machine that is ruining your gas mileage and making your engine run rough. This code specifically points to bank 2 of your engine, which is the side of the engine that does not contain the number 1 cylinder. So make sure you identify the correct side before you start wrenching. Basically, your car's computer uses the oxygen sensors, or O2 sensors, to sniff the exhaust fumes and determine if there is too much fuel or too much air. These sensors are fascinating pieces of technology using zirconium dioxide and platinum electrodes to generate a voltage signal based on oxygen levels. When everything is working, that voltage bounces up and down rapidly, telling the computer to add or subtract fuel. But right now, your PCM is seeing an imbalance that it cannot correct. This is a severe code because running too lean or too rich for too long can damage your catalytic converters or even the engine internals. So we need to tackle this immediately. Before you go replacing oxygen sensors, you have to rule out the basics. A large vacuum leak, a dirty mass airflow sensor, or a weak fuel pump are often the real culprits. I always tell people to check for misfire codes first because a misfire will dump raw fuel into the exhaust and trick the sensor. If the engine is running smoothly otherwise, grab your scanner and look at the live data stream. You want to watch the voltage on the bank 2 oxygen sensors. The precat sensor should be cycling constantly between 1 and 900 millivolts. If it is stuck or lazy, the sensor might be dead. However, if the sensor is working and reporting a lean or rich condition, you likely have an exhaust leak near the sensor or a fuel injector issue on that bank. Check your technical service bulletins first, as there might be a known software fix, but otherwise use your digital voltometer to verify the sensor wiring isn't burnt or broken. Remember, this code is often the symptom of another problem, not just a bad sensor. So diagnosing the root cause like a vacuum leak is key to keeping that check engine light off for good.